Hello?
Hello?
Is this Nitro?
Yeah?
I got your number from Manii.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I was wondering if you did want to talk for a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Today we have Gia. Hi Gia.
Hi everybody.
Today I get Gia in her face. So we are gonna tell him we are gonna do today. We are gonna do today.
Alright, so Manii has a special little friend
Yeah.
who apparently,
I need to stop shaking.
when we do videos, you know, he's intrigued. So we should be giving him a call today.
Yeah.
So to just make him know what's on my mind and thing, you know.
I'm weak.
It's going to be good today.
I'm gonna have Gia call Nitro and tell him she like him.
Big up Nitro.
She gonna play with him head a little bit.
Wondering
Yeah, we gotta practice.
if they want to link up
Come
or...
over here. Yeah.
Ooh, I look good today.
Hey, the man. So pretend, alright, we are practice right now. So boom, you call him, right? And him I go first, cause first him I say, yo, who this?
Yeah. Obviously, you're not gonna know the number.
I go think him smart and you know? You gotta say a girl that no, you gotta say Manii friend. I go say which Manii friend? You say you make the video with me and he's supposed to click in him head by then because I texted him from yesterday and I gotta show the screenshot. It I got there so right now, see it there. I say yo one of my friend them like him, boom bang bang. Yeah. Then him a go on hear more cause Nitro conceited but in everything. Nitro I got in the conversation. Hopefully I don't think him a gonna know a prank still cause I text him yesterday. You gotta just be like, oh you like him and you know say I like you, say it.
I like you.
Yeah.
Weak.
I'm gonna say, I say I'm going on, I go, say I'm gonna say, no.
Nitro, baby.
I don't know, maybe we can link up. Basically, yo, just ask for sex without saying sex. Boom. You ready? Sure? Oh, she's not afraid. She good, she good. Alright.
Hey, suppose him asks, I'm gonna get him number, right?
Alright.
If I say, yo, Manii give me a number.
But what I'm wondering if I should text him right now and say, yo, I'm gonna give my brown friend your number. If it seem like me I push it on him not gonna think it's a prank though. Yo.
Say, yo, should I ask boy here, you know? Blah, 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 yo, whatever.
Him not gonna say
set
no.
the link or whatever. I don't know.
I gotta set the link. I gotta set the link.
Boy.
This is wrong. This is so wrong.
My nerve.
Alright. Pretend like you're talking to him right now. Me I gotta be him, but go up on the phone. Alright. Yeah, who this?
Manii friend, I got his number from you. I did just want to talk to you for a little bit, you know. That's alright?
Me yeah, sir, no? Yeah, sir.
Well, you know, I did kind of want to talk to you because it's a little while now I like you. I'm seeing like you're not.
Yo, that too obvious, dog.
I don't know.
Well on. Why you sound shy? You sound too confident, listen. You sound that's too good to be true. No, me wouldn't believe that. It's too good to be true. We will come again.
Worse, you just send him a picture and then as you send him a picture, I call you.
Alright, we're gonna wait little for sure. Alright? And then I'm gonna
Him answer my kid?
not yet, but
Make him answer
him did
first.
online. Alright, that's true. You gotta say you like him, but you gotta stutter first. You'll be like, I just want to tell you that.
Wait, girls don't say they like you. Just ask if you have a girlfriend.
Alright, boom.
Yeah.
But say if you know if you know it, me no need for
But tell us some nerve, you know, so you want me to do.
My my girl, go drink some tea, man. I want tea, man. Come, man. Settle your body, man. I like that way you sell it a while. If you have a girlfriend, ask him that and be like, one day if we can link up, boom.
Just me and you.
Boom. I don't need to say nothing more. Straight. Nitro, baby. Say no, what I say. No chicken out for that. So it's not ring. Oh.
That's what I was wondering.
Yeah, friend.
You have reached
Oh, yeah, say.
of
Call him again.
1. You have reached the voicemail box of 187.
Oh, what?
You have reached the voicemail box of
What the blood?
1.
In text. Hey, baby. Alright, Ochana. App shift link upon. Alright, text her. Text him. What you gonna say? What you gonna say? Yeah, tell him.
So, hey Nitro, it's Kamani friend. I just didn't want to talk to you. That good?
Blood.
Yes, it is?
And said that good too. Yeah.
Alright. Hey Nitro, it's Kimani's friend. I just didn't want to talk to you for a little bit. That good? Hey Nitro, it's Kimani's friend. I just didn't want to talk to you for a little bit. That good? Yo, I hate myself. Yo, I look thirsty.
John, dog. You look like, alright, yo. Delete the voice. Delete the voice. Alright, call him. Voice call him. Before him to say delete it.
Alright.
This damn bike, man. So, wait, the number I show? Think him know so the jig is up in there.
Hello?
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 Is this Nitro?
Yeah.
I got your number from Kimani.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I was wondering if you did want to talk for a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
He was telling me that, I don't know if you know me, but I was in the last video with Pine in a pink shirt.
See.
Oh, well, he texted me and told me that you did, like, say stuff about me from the video, that you did kind of like me, so I was wondering, if you did want to get to know each other.
Really?
Yeah, him say you like me, and I know you from your videos, so I don't know if you... I mean, if you have a girlfriend, it's cool still. I don't want,
No, I'm not nobody. I'm a good man.
Okay. Well, you don't have no problem just being friends then.
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Well, if you're free, what you think about like a link up, just me and you?
Link up so fast?
And I mean, I already know you from your videos, and I was talking to Kimani about you. Him say you're a good youth.
Me a good youth. No? You want to say that?
That's what he told me.
Oh,
What you think about that still?
Well, I'm not sure. I think me I go busy.
Oh. Well,
Yeah.
if you're busy, that's cool still. We can just like talk on up till, you know, you're not so busy, then maybe something can work out.
Yeah, sure.
Alright, well, I'll text you then.
Yeah, my number.
Alright. Can I call you tonight then?
No, I don't think so.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah. So this text.
Okay, no problem.
Where's that what? Him know, you know. He knows, you know. He knows, you know.
You definitely know. The jig is up. The jig is up.
You nervous, you know?
I just got turned on by a guy I don't even
No.
know.
He knows, dog. There's no way. There's
Man
no.
was like, Kimani said that. Him know you not tell nobody say what good you is.
Dog, watch out, dog. Hear me say. There's no way. Like, him know. Like, trust me. The way him a go on, from we talk about how, so quick, him pick up. And then I was like, hey, what? Just, those sound not too thirsty, just go on. Continue what you do. And I say, alright, you know. We still upload this.
Bye.
Channel, dog. Guys,
Big
I
up
guess.
yourself, Nitro, though.
Yeah, tell him again. Because he missed out on all of this. No understand.
Hi everybody. Just reminding you guys, make sure you watch the ads.
Yeah.
Like, subscribe, click the bell.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
So have the extra calories. Little free, the boss a look crease. Me not see me work you till you weak. Shut your fucking mouth. Who up me up the out, me pick it out. Me up, girl bend them, my bloody out. Big